We lost our mother 2 months ago and we have not received her last expense. Is it possible to take an insurance medical cover for a person with pre-existing condition? If yes, what are the terms and conditions? I bought a second-hand car and before I transferred the insurance cover to my account, the car got an accident. I have never been compensated. Hi everyone, I hope this video finds you well. My name is Martin in case you're here for the first time. Na sisi ni watu wa insurance. In this channel we do two things. We do civic education as well as reviews on insurance, especially within the Kenyan market. Now in today's video is going to be a very quick one, very straightforward. Remember I told you that we have been correcting questions because we are targeting to answer questions that you have had for a long time and maybe you have been seeking for these answers, but maybe you have never had a chance to have like an in-depth or explanation in regards to that question. Now, we have been receiving quite a number of questions, and I want to appreciate those of you who have been sending these questions. And this is kind of going to give you an idea of what to expect in the coming videos. Now, without wasting much time, I'm going to get into it very fast. And the question number one is, these are frequently asked questions, but these are specific questions that I've been receiving. Okay, number one is, kuna mtu alikuwa anauliza, is there an insurance cover that can take care of an unprecedented loss of job? Nimeajiriwa and all of a sudden nimefutwa. Kuna cover hiyo ku anticipate if maybe you are not sure whether that job is going to last for a long time, or even you are sure but maybe something happens. Can you take a cover for you kwa hiyo time yenye hauko job iku sustain maybe for the next few months or so? So we are going to check into that, we are going to look into that, and we are going to do a video for that. Number two, what investment option do I have with a net salary of 50,000? Remember I told you that nowadays insurance companies are giving you investment options. So this is not this is a question that is within what we are doing, so we are going to do a video specifically for that. Then number three, kindly explain SHIF and SHA and what their scope of coverage is. Are there medical insurance covers that are cost friendly and can complement SHIF and SHA? Of course, you have for the past few days you have noticed that people are complaining about SHIF and SHA. I don't know. Yes, is it SHA or SHIF? Yo. So anauliza, is there a cover that is within that range of in terms of cost that can maybe take care of your medical bills? So we are going to do a comprehensive video touching on that. Then number four, is it possible to take an insurance medical cover for a person with pre-existing condition? If yes, what are the terms and conditions? Kuna watu wanakuwa na maybe pre-existing condition, maybe uko na cancer, you already through the dialysis processes, maybe uko na mambo ya kidney failures or something of that sort. Is it possible to have a medical cover while you still have that condition? So we are going to do a comprehensive video touching on the same. Then number five, what is the difference between saving for my child through a junior school fees account with a bank and saving through an insurance policy? What's the difference? Maybe uko hapo hivyo unasema I can't take a policy that is an education policy for my kid because I'm saving with a bank. I have a Jubo junior account with a bank. So what's the difference? Why would you opt for an insurance as opposed to a bank? So we are going to do a video on that. What are the options for someone who wish to opt out of a long-term insurance cover? Umechukua cover maybe ya 18 years or even 20 years because there are those who go for 20 years. Lakini umefikisha maybe 10 years and you want to opt out. What are the options? And maybe if you want to change the plan, or maybe because of financial reasons unataka ku change the plan. What are the options? That is number 7. How safe is it to invest for 18 years with an insurance company? 18 years is not a joke. It's a long time. And what guarantees you that you're going to get your investment after saving for 18 years? So we are going to do a detailed video explaining what guarantees you of your investment after saving for a long-term investment. That is number 8. I bought a second-hand car, and before I transferred the insurance cover to my account, the car got an accident. I have never been compensated. What could be the issue? Remember I did a short, although haikuwa detailed sana, and I told you the dangers of not transferring insurance after buying a second-hand car. So these are practical experience. These are an experience, someone who bought a car, but before they got the transfer, that is from the previous owner to his account, that is insurance isome yeye, gari kapata accident, so wajai compensatiwa. So we are going to do a video, comprehensive video, touching on the same. Then number 9, we have we lost our mother 2 months ago and we have not received her last expense. We normally have a cover that covers the last expense. Mtu akiweza chukua cover, unfortunately if they lose their life, kuna hiyo pesa ya mazishi that the company is going to take care of that. So this person is giving their own experience that after 2 months bado hawajalipo your last expense. So akauliza, how long does it take to have the money that was otherwise meant for the burial? So we are going to do a video touching on the same. And then number 10, I am 40 years. I want to retire because I don't like my job. I know there are so many people who can identify with this. Uko job yenye you don't feel satisfaction. So say anataka, he wants to opt out, anataka kutoka hiyo job, hiyo employment, because they don't love the job. I want to pursue my ambitions, and I have saved 10 million, which is the best investment option for me that will guarantee maximum return for my money. Is it rental apartment or maybe money market funds, or what are the other options that are available in the market? So we are going to touch on the same, and we are going to give you detailed figures. That is, we are going to work with numbers to show you what's the difference between doing kind of maybe an investment in terms of apartment and money markets, all these options. So the other one is I dropped out of my savings plan for my child or for my child's education with an insurance company. What can I do to continue from where I left? Is there such an option? Ulikuwa umechukua plan ya 10 years, imefika place ukakwama, but you feel like you want to come back because you have regained your financial stability. So what are the options and what should you do? Then the second final question is, I lost my husband a year ago. He was so secretive in his affairs, with his affairs. I suspect he left some investment which are not known to his kins. How can I check if he had some investments with an insurance company? Kuna watu wanakuwaga spouses who maybe can invest, but they don't disclose the investments. So anataka kujua, she's suspecting maybe this man would have anaweza kuwa maybe alikuwa na plan ya investment. So how can you confirm that your spouse had an investment plan with an insurance company? And if yes, how can you follow up to get compensated? The 13th and the final question is, explain more about personal accident cover. Now, I've been talking about personal accident cover when I've been touching on motor insurance covers and how to combine those insurance to make sure that you are fully covered. So, nataka kujua what is covered in the personal accident cover. That is the scope. And then in terms of claim, how can you claim, all those processes, anything touching on personal accident cover. So we are going to do all these videos. These are 13 videos. So this is what to expect in the few days to come. And I hope we are giving you value. We want to make sure that we are educating you as much as possible to help you consume insurance responsibly. Ulisema, if you have a question, send it to us. Process ni ask, understand, buy. Do not buy insurance products that you do not understand. Make sure that you first of all understand to avoid frustrations. Thank you very much for watching our videos, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't become part of this community, and we hope to give you a lot of value. And thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Like this video, share it with your friend, leave a comment, leave a question, and until we see you in the next videos, God bless you and bye bye.